Well then guys, if you decide you're going to take your car or your van to Mr. John Proudman, this is the kind of quality of work you're going to get. If you take a look up there where the light is, you can see there's a t-shirt or something been stuffed up there, down here, and it's hanging out the bottom there. I sent it in originally for an oil leak. 3 times it went in. This is how it came out the 3rd time. Absolutely covered in silicone everywhere, and with a fucking rag stuck in it. You can see, I've not put that in there. It's actually been bolted in between parts of the engine. As you can see there, that's not very good. There we go. So, that's what you get. That's his idea of fixing an oil leak. As you can see, you can actually see it dripping off the end of the rag. It did work for like probably a day, but that's what you get.